Advantage Sales and Supply presents How to Install Wire Rope Clips. This how-to video gives step-by-step instructions for installing malleable and drop-forged wire rope clips. These instructions are not intended for double-grip wire rope clips. Before we begin, it's important to understand the basic terminology of a wire rope clip and wire rope turn back. Shown here is the anatomy of a wire rope clip. And this is the anatomy of a properly assembled turn-back eye. For this video, we will be creating a wire rope turn-back with 3/8 inch cable. You'll need the following pieces to create your assembly: the Advantage Sales Catalog, 3/8 inch cable, a ruler, a marker, 3 wire rope clips, a wrench, and a torque wrench. Refer to the Advantage Sales Catalog for the size, length, and quantity information for wire rope clips. As you can see, the 3/8 inch size requires a minimum of 3 wire rope clips and a turn-back length of 9.5 inches. We'll use this information to build our eye. Step 1. Mark the turn-back length at 9.5 inches from the end of the cable. Step 2. Slide the clips onto the cable. Helpful assembly hint: do not fully disassemble the wire rope clips. Loosen the nuts to the end of the U-bolt, then slide the clips onto the cable. After this, turn your dead end back through the bolts to create your eye. Step 3. Turn the cable back to the desired length. For this example, we will have a standard 8-inch eye. Step 4. Make a second mark at the base of the eye where the live end meets the first turn-back mark. Step 5. Slide the clips over the cable, keeping the saddles on the live end, not the dead end. Before we move on to Step 6, it's important to note the order in which wire rope clips are installed. The first clip to tighten into place is always the one closest to the dead end of the cable. The second clip to install is always the one closest to the eye. And finally, the middle clip, or clips if more than 3 are required, are installed last. With this order in mind, we're ready to continue building the assembly. Step 6. Position the first clip one base length away from the end of the cable and hand tighten. Step 7. Using a wrench, continue tightening by alternating between each nut. Tighten only enough to keep the clip in place. Step 8. Position the second clip closest to the eye by lining up the end of the saddle to the markings made in Step 1 and 4. Step 9. Repeat the tightening steps until the clip stays firmly in place. Step 10. Equally space the remaining clip between the first 2 clips, then repeat the tightening steps until the clips stay in place. Now that the wire rope clips are in place, the final steps require tightening the nuts with a torque wrench to the specified torque value found in the Advantage Sales Catalog. For 3/8 inch cable, the torque value is 30. With your torque wrench set to this value, you're ready to begin tightening. Use the same order for tightening as shown in Step 6. Alternate the tightening between nuts on the wire rope clip to avoid cracking the saddle. When all clips are tightened to the correct torque value, installation is complete. Thanks for watching. Contact Advantage Sales and Supply for more information and how-to videos.